Alright, so these are the incubation trays being filled through that pipe right there. It goes around the corner up to this green tank up here. It's being pumped in from down below here, off the pipe. Here's where we're measuring flow with our pitot tube. There's our reference. Our pitot tube right here goes down to right about here. We got some ball valves here so we can shut it off and take our transmitter out of service, calibrate or whatever. The transmitter's right down here on a pillar. We have that going up to this junction box, which goes upstairs to the lab view. Here's a closer view of the tank from up above. Don't fall off this ladder. You can see that pipe resistance, that's what this tank is feeding. Comes down into this channel here. Draining out into these trails.